In this video, I just want to quickly show you how I wax my eyebrows. I already have a tutorial for beginners on waxing eyebrows, but this is the method that I use currently. So this is probably better if you've actually done it before. If you've never done it before, definitely check out the video that I've done for beginners. One of the reasons I don't get my eyebrows waxed professionally is because every single time I go, my skin breaks out around my eyebrows really bad, all the way back to my hairline. I get bumps. It does not matter who I go to. It does not matter what method they use. It does not matter the heat of the wax. I haven't yet to figure it out. But I bought my own wax spot from Sally's, and I use the wax for sensitive skin. It has like a pink color, which you'll see. Yeah, and this is what I do. So let's get to it. The first thing is brushing the hair on the brows. And I know my skin is dry right now, y'all, but bear with me. I brush my hairs straight up. And after I do that, I don't know how I can get this on the video for y'all because my lighting is on this side. Horrible lighting on this video. Or maybe I should do this. I'll do a mirror right here. My skin is dry. But okay, let's try again. I brush my hair straight up. And then I trim those hairs. And you just do that process of brushing and trimming until you get them trimmed as short as you want. And this is just so, you know, you can wake up in the morning, your hairs can be sticking straight up, straight out, any which direction, and your brow will still look neat and tame. So you want that nice clean cut. And this will uncover the hairs that you need to wax across the top of your brow. Alright, so now you can see untrimmed versus trimmed. It already looks better. Brush it out a little bit more. So that's just a curved manicure scissors and a spoolie. Now I'm going to use one of these wooden sticks and dip it in my wax pot. And my wax is not like runny. So it's not super hot, but it's pretty good. You do not want the wax running off the stick. So I cool my wax a little. You want like a tacky consistency. I cool it a little before I place it on my face. And you're gonna put this wax on your face and then use one of these canvas strips that I got all of my products for this from Sally's. And I like to start on the bottom of my brow. And I clean up this brow bone area. That part that kind of makes it pop. And for me personally, the way my eye is made, I don't have to go all the way across. I only need to do the outer part. I stick my canvas. When I put my canvas on, I really press it in, warm it up. And you want to hold your skin before you rip. Hold it tight and touch. You can see the hair that's on there. And then the eyebrow. And for the extra wax residue, you can just yank it off like so. And then brush your brow again. Now I'm going to go in, and I lift a little, but I'm going to go in over the top first, and I'll come back to the bottom. So always let your skin rest in between. You don't want to wax and re-wax and re-wax in the same spot. Every time you dip into your wax spot, you want to use a new stick. Especially if you're sharing with someone. I just like to do it anyway. So I let that get tacky so that it should not be moving on the stick. And then I'm going to go across the top. My brow. Out to the edge. Same process. Making sure I'm not sticking it to my hair. And hold skin. Rip. Not as much hair on that rip. You can see it. And I like to fold it over and snatch the extra wax off residue. So brush again, and then I clean it up with my manicure scissors to get it nice and precise. Clean. And I need one more strip on the bottom. You want to try to do it where you can do one strip on the top, one on the bottom. I've done it before where I do the top and the bottom, stick it on and pull it off in one piece. It just depends on how much time I have. You have to be very precise about the hair you're picking up. I got some wax right there on my strand. Take another canvas strip. It's really only about a couple of hairs that I need it off. Okay, so now we have the waxed brow and the unwaxed brow. Difference between the two. Alright, other side. Because I'm right-handed, this side is tricky. And this brow I have to be careful because I have a scar right here. And if I wax it too thin, I'll have a bald spot. And you don't need a lot of wax on your stick. Here we go. Just cleaning up the outer portion. Like so. Hold your stand. Whoop. Here. I'll have to do another strip on the bottom. Let's do the top. clean on top. And one more. I left some right there. So we'll get that. And oh, and always rip from the opposite direction from how the hair grows. Boom. All right, and smooth it out. This is a post-wax remover. It's going to put a little, I don't have cotton balls with me right now, so.